Bakit kaya yung ibang mabilis makakuha ng clients, no? Alam nila kung ano yung hinahanap ng target market nila. Ang tanong, gusto mo rin ba malaman? So here's what clients want, brothers and sisters. Una is clear communication. Ang clients gusto ng freelancer na madaling kausap. Kaya dapat maayos ang messages mo. Madali kang kausap sa call. Walang sablay sa grammar at straight to the point. So if you have problems with that, you can proceed to episoden.com. Kumbaga, isa yung online platform wherein you can talk to other foreigners na gusto ring matuto for them to better their English. Pangalawa is relevant skills. Check mo kung match yung skills mo sa pangangailangan nila. Kung isang video editor and kung yung ino-offeran mo ba is may kailangan ng video editing skills. Another example, if they want a social media manager, dapat may proof ka na kaya mong gumawa ng content at strategy para mas tumaas yung branding ng clients mo. Pangatlo is reliability. Clients need someone they can trust. Yung palaging andyan para sa kanila. Be on time, ibig sabihin. Deliver quality work, and always update them sa progress. The truth is, brothers and sisters, clients aren't just looking for skills. They are looking for someone na kaya nilang pagkatiwalaan at makatrabaho na maayos.